If you're considering filing for bankruptcy and you want to make sure your assets are protected, let's go over the top 5 exemptions that we use in bankruptcy. This is true for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. This is particular to Washington State. I have a list here so I don't forget. So your homestead, if you own a home and you have equity in your home, if you're in King County, it's like $900,000 of equity you can have in your home, still file bankruptcy and keep your home. We want to make sure you're current on your mortgage when you file, but if you're in King County, it's about $900,000. The amount you can protect is different county to county across the state, but the minimum is $125,000 of equity. So no matter where you are in Washington State, it's going to at least be $125,000. And again, if you're in King County, we're at like $900,000 of equity that you can exempt and file for bankruptcy. Next, cars. A lot of questions about cars. So for a car, you can have up to $15,000 of equity in a car and keep it in your Chapter 7 or 13 bankruptcy. If the equity is over that, you may still have some options. We're going to get into that here shortly. Next, for your household goods and belongings, your furniture, your household electronics, TVs, things like that, the limit is $6,500 with no one item exceeding $750 in value. Please note, we're talking about garage sale values, not what did you pay for it, not how much would it cost to replace it. But if you were to have a garage sale, how much would you get for these items? So the individual limit is $750. Collectively, $6,500 is the max. Retirement in Washington State, pretty much all retirements are fully exempt. They are unlimited. Unless you've inherited a retirement, then that's something different. And you'll want to talk to an attorney about that. And then we have kind of a catch-all wild card of $10,000 that you can use for really almost anything. And so back to that car exemption, if your car has more than $15,000 of equity, we can stack on top of that your $10,000 wild card. Now your wild card will be used for other things also. Cash in your pocket, money in the bank, things like that. So if you have questions about exemption planning and protecting your assets in a bankruptcy, make sure you talk to an attorney. If you're in Washington State and want our office to help you, feel free to reach out. Our number is 206-408-8158. Thank you.